question, and this is the group frequency distribution, and we need to find out the median for that particular question. The class interval is given and the particular class interval has the following frequencies. The formula is L plus H divided by F multiplied by N divided by 2 minus CF, where L is the lowest boundary of the median class, H is the width of the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, N is the total number of frequencies, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, the class which is just above the median class. Now let's see how we can calculate them. But we need to make the column of the class boundary and the cumulative frequencies for computing the median. Now here I have made the column for the class boundary and the cumulative frequency. The formula is written here. Now first we need to locate where is the median class, and instead of taking n plus 1 divided by 2 term, we will take n divided by 2. N divided by 2. N is 16 divided by 2, 8th term. So by the help of the cumulative frequency, we will locate that where is the 8th term. The 8th term will lie here. This is the nearest class, median class. So this is our median class. Now we know that we are taking the cumulative frequencies preceding to the median class. So we will take the cumulative frequency of that particular class, and the lowest boundary L is 7.5. So we will put that into the formula and we will get the median. The width is 3. We know how we can calculate the width, and the total number and the frequency, f of the frequency of the median class is 6, and we know n divided by 2 is 8, and the cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 6. So by putting all those values in the formula, we will get the median, which is 8.5. So student, this is how we can calculate the median for the group data. So hope you have learned something new from that particular topic, and if you have some queries, you can ask it into the comment section. And if you have learned something new, then do like that video, share that video to other students for their benefit, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you for the next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.